What if one AI platform could handle almost every part of your creative workflow? From generating cinematic videos and creating stunning images, to building consistent characters and training your own AI models, OpenArt is positioning itself as an all-in-one creative suite for content creators, marketers, filmmakers, and designers. But with so many AI tools launching every month, is OpenArt actually worth your time? Or is it just another platform trying to do everything at once? In this video, I'm going to put OpenArt to the test by exploring some of its most powerful features, including AI video generation, SmartShot, and consistent character creation. I'll also take a quick look at the additional tools packed inside the platform, from image generation and editing to custom model training and creative workflows. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what OpenArt does best, who it's built for, and whether it deserves a place in your AI toolkit. After clicking the link, you'll land on the OpenArt dashboard, and this is where the magic happens. OpenArt comes packed with a wide range of AI tools, including Director, a powerful conversational filmmaking assistant that can help turn ideas into complete cinematic videos. Alongside Director, you also get access to text-to-video, image-to-video, SmartShot, image generation, image editing, character creation, world building, voice generation, music creation, voice cloning, lip sync, motion sync, video upscaling, background replacement, video relighting, VFX tools, custom character creation, and much more. It's essentially designed to be an all-in-one AI creative suite, where everything from storytelling and video production to image creation and audio generation can happen in one place. But for today's video, we're going to focus on some of the most exciting features, starting with the newly launched Director, and see how they perform in real-world use. So let's start with the newly launched Director feature, which is easily one of the most exciting additions to OpenArt. Unlike traditional AI video generators where you create clips one by one, Director works more like an AI filmmaking partner. You simply describe your idea, and it helps build the story, characters, scenes, visuals, pacing, and the final video through a conversational workflow. For this demonstration, I want to create a cinematic fantasy trailer about 3 sailors traveling through a mysterious ocean. Everything seems calm at first, but suddenly a gigantic sea serpent emerges from the depths, creating massive waves and terrifying the crew. I want the video to feel like a Hollywood fantasy adventure with dramatic camera movements, cinematic lighting, emotional storytelling, epic atmosphere, and professional color grading. So I'll simply enter my prompt here and let Director handle the rest. One thing you'll notice is that Director gives you 2 different creation modes. The first is Guide Me, where the AI walks you through each stage of the creative process, helping you refine the story, characters, visual style, and production decisions before generating the final video. The second option is Just Make It, which skips the back-and-forth process and moves directly into production. For this test, I'm going to select Just Make It because I want to show you the full power and speed of the system. After clicking Generate, Director immediately starts working on the project. Instead of generating random clips, it begins by understanding the concept, developing a script, planning scenes, organizing the story structure, and preparing everything needed for the final production. As you can see, Director is already building the project step by step. First, it creates the script and overall narrative structure. Then it plans the scenes, camera angles, pacing, visual style, and production flow. The interesting part is that even though we're using the automatic mode, Director still keeps the entire project editable. At any point, you can jump into the chat box and request changes, add new scenes, modify characters, adjust the visual style, or completely change the direction of the story using natural language. After a few moments, the video is ready, so let's play it back and see the results.
They sailed past the edge of every map, and some maps led, and for a reason.
And honestly, the final output looks incredibly impressive. The scene transitions feel natural. The storytelling remains coherent from beginning to end. And the overall cinematic quality is surprisingly strong. The lighting, atmosphere, camera work, and pacing all work together to make the video feel much closer to a professionally directed trailer than a collection of disconnected AI clips. This is also where Director feels different from most AI video tools I've tested. Instead of prompting individual scenes, you're essentially directing an entire project through conversation. Honestly, this feels a lot like vibe directing, where you focus on the creative vision while the AI handles the heavy production work behind the scenes. Now let's look at text-to-video, which is also one of the most powerful features inside OpenArt. One thing I really like is that OpenArt gives you access to some of the latest AI video models in one place, including Seedance 2.0, Kling, Veo, Hailuo, Pixverse, and several others. This means you can experiment with different models without constantly switching between platforms. To get started, I'll head over to the video section and select Text to Video. Here, all I need to do is enter a prompt describing the scene I want to create. For this test, I'll use the following prompt: a cinematic aerial shot of a luxury mountain resort during golden hour. Surrounded by snow-capped peaks and lush pine forests, guests relax on outdoor terraces while warm sunlight reflects across large glass windows. The camera slowly glides through the landscape, revealing winding pathways, elegant architecture, and breathtaking natural scenery. Ultra-realistic, highly detailed, professional cinematography, smooth camera movement, natural lighting, depth of field, premium travel commercial quality. Once the prompt is ready, I'll select Seedance 2.0 as my model. Then I'll configure a few additional settings such as video duration, resolution, and aspect ratio depending on the type of content I want to create. After that, it's as simple as clicking Generate. A few moments later, the video is ready. The result looks surprisingly polished, with smooth camera movement, strong scene consistency, realistic lighting, and a cinematic feel throughout the entire clip. The level of detail in the environment is impressive, and it genuinely feels like something that could be used in a travel advertisement, promotional campaign, or professional content project with very little additional editing required. Next, let's take a look at SmartShot, one of the most interesting features inside OpenArt. Instead of generating a single video clip, SmartShot helps you create an entire sequence of cinematic shots from just one idea. It automatically plans different camera angles, scene transitions, and visual compositions, making it perfect for storytelling, advertisements, trailers, and short films. To test it out, I'll simply enter my prompt: create a cinematic luxury car commercial. Start with a dramatic close-up of the headlights turning on at sunrise, followed by a wide shot of the vehicle driving along a scenic coastal road. Show detailed shots of the wheels, interior dashboard, and premium design elements before ending with a stunning aerial shot overlooking the ocean. Ultra-realistic, cinematic lighting, smooth camera movements, commercial quality visuals, professional filmmaking style. Once the prompt is ready, I'll select my preferred settings and click Generate. OpenArt then takes care of the heavy lifting, automatically breaking the idea into multiple shots and building a complete visual sequence. After a few moments, the SmartShot project is ready. What stands out here is how well the scenes flow together. Instead of feeling like separate AI-generated clips, the shots maintain a consistent style and cinematic structure throughout the sequence. The camera angles, pacing, and scene composition feel much more intentional, making the final result look closer to a professionally planned video production rather than a collection of random AI generations. Now let's look at one of the most requested and trending features right now. Consistent characters. The reason this feature is becoming so important is that most AI platforms struggle to keep the same character looking consistent across different images and videos. You might get a great result in one generation, but as soon as you create a new scene, the face, hairstyle, clothing, or overall appearance starts changing. OpenArt aims to solve that problem with its dedicated character creation system. To get started, I'll simply click on Character and select Create Character. From here, I can either upload references or describe my character in detail. For this example, I'll use the following prompt. A confident young female travel vlogger in her mid-20s with long brown hair, green eyes, natural makeup, and a friendly smile. She is wearing a modern beige jacket, white shirt, blue jeans, and casual sneakers. Photorealistic appearance, realistic skin texture, professional photography, natural lighting, highly detailed facial features, consistent outfit design, cinematic quality. Next, I'll choose my preferred model and style. OpenArt gives you multiple options, including photorealistic, 3D, anime, Pixar, fantasy, and more. For this demonstration, I'll stick with photorealistic since it's the most practical option for creating realistic characters that can be used across different projects. After selecting a few settings, I'll click Generate, and within a few moments, my character is ready. The result looks surprisingly detailed, with realistic facial features, natural lighting, and a professional overall appearance. But this is where things get really interesting. Once your character has been created, you can continue using that same character across multiple OpenArt tools and workflows. You can place the character in completely different environments, generate new scenes while maintaining visual consistency, create character-based videos, use motion sync to add realistic movement, apply lip sync to make the character speak, replace characters inside existing videos, and even build longer storytelling projects without constantly recreating the same person from scratch. This makes the feature especially useful for content creators, filmmakers, marketers, educators, and anyone building a recurring digital personality or AI influencer. Instead of generating a new character every time, OpenArt gives you a reusable character asset that can remain consistent across images, videos, animations, and future creative projects. And that's not all. OpenArt includes many other powerful AI tools that we didn't have time to fully explore in this video. You can generate high-quality images using the latest image models, including GPT Image 2, create image variations, edit existing images, expand images beyond their original boundaries, upscale low-resolution visuals, control camera angles, create multi-view assets, and even perform face swaps. On the video side, you get tools like motion sync, lip sync, video upscaling, background replacement, relighting, VFX generation, character replacement, and video extension. OpenArt also includes world-building tools, AI voice generation, music creation, sound effects, voice cloning, and much more, making it one of the most complete AI creative platforms currently available. And if you're thinking about trying OpenArt for yourself, I definitely recommend checking out the Annual Wonder Plan. It's marked as the best value option and gives you access to a massive amount of monthly credits, more video generations, more consistent characters, additional AI models, and unlimited creation features for serious creators. Plus, with the annual plan, you can save up to 50% compared to monthly pricing. Don't forget to use my discount code for an additional 15% off, and check out the link in the description below to get started.